In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to help on GitHub in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to GitHub or looking to enhance your experience, this guide will simplify the process and get you started quickly. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type GitHub. It's that simple. Hit Enter, and the GitHub homepage should pop up as one of the top results. Go ahead and click on it to be directed to the GitHub platform. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself at the heart of one of the leading platforms for software development collaboration. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, you'll need to sign up to access all the features GitHub offers. It's a straightforward process, as easy as entering your email and creating a secure password. Follow the on-screen prompts, and you'll be ready to dive into the world of collaborative coding, sharing, and learning. With your account ready, let's unlock more potential by scrolling all the way to the bottom of the GitHub homepage. Here, you'll want to navigate to the Contact section. This is your gateway to accessing an array of documents and forums curated by the vast community of GitHub users. These resources are invaluable, offering insights, tips, and detailed guidance that can resolve a myriad of queries you might have. But let's say you're seeking something that dives even deeper, or perhaps you have a specific question that the forums don't cover. No worries. Continuing from where you were, keep scrolling until you find the Contact Support option. Clicking on this will connect you to GitHub's virtual support team. They're equipped to assist with technical issues or platform-specific questions, ensuring you get the help you need swiftly and efficiently. Now, maybe your concerns are more on the business or strategic side. Not to worry. Right next to Contact Support, you'll notice an option to Contact Sales. Clicking on this will route you to an appropriate form tailored to address your particular inquiries. Whether it's about integrating GitHub into your organizational framework or understanding GitHub's advanced features, this is the right place to get specific guidance. In just a few steps, you've navigated through GitHub, learned how to access a wealth of community knowledge, and discovered the pathways to get personalized support. Remember, GitHub is not just a platform, it's a community. There are countless users and developers sharing their knowledge and experiences. So don't hesitate to explore the forums, ask questions, and contribute when you can. Thank you for joining me in this quick guide on how to help on GitHub. Now, you're equipped to make the most out of this fantastic platform. Happy collaborating!